Ever tasted nuts from 1,000-year-old trees or the world's priciest macadamias? Join us in the Amazon and beyond to uncover their secrets and jaw-dropping health benefits. We'll explore how Brazil nuts are harvested from giant trees and why macadamias cost up to $50 per kilo. Subscribe for this nutty adventure. Brazil nuts come from massive trees in the Amazon, some living for a millennium and towering over 50 meters. Their high price and unique harvest make them special. But are they as healthy as claimed? Later, we'll dive into macadamia nuts, the world's most expensive, and their medical perks. Comment your favorite nut below. Brazil nut trees are giants, as tall as a 15-story building, with trunks up to 2 meters wide. Unlike other nuts grown on farms, these only thrive in the wild Amazon. A quirky rodent, the agouti, spreads their seeds by burying nuts and forgetting them, sprouting new trees. Their sharp teeth crack the tough fruit shells to reach the nuts inside. The fruit, like a melon with a small hole, lets agoutis access the nuts. Harvesting these giants is no joke. Workers sail small boats to the trees early each morning, roaming the forest. Climbing 50-meter trees is too risky, so they wait for the heavy pods to fall naturally between November and May, collecting them from the ground. Each tree drops about 300 pods per season, but watch out. Falling pods hit the ground like cannonballs and can be deadly. Workers gather pods daily, stuffing them into burlap sacks. Using large, sharp knives, they crack the tough shells, often risking cuts, to extract the nuts, which are packed into sacks and shipped via boats. The nuts are washed in plastic barrels, then spread under the sun for days, flipped regularly to dry evenly. Small boats transport them to processing plants, where steam roasting machines heat the nuts for 10 to 12 hours, softening the shells. Workers inspect nuts on conveyors, removing bad ones, and peel the shells. A tough task often aided by small machines. After peeling, Brazil nuts are packaged and shipped globally. Their oil, twice the price of raw nuts, is also extracted. Healthline says Brazil nuts are a top source of selenium, an antioxidant mineral, plus proteins, healthy fats, and minerals. They boost heart health, thyroid function, immunity, brain function, and bone strength. Now let's meet the priciest nut, macadamia, costing up to $50 per kilo. Native to Australia, once called Australian hazelnuts for their similar shape, they're now grown in Hawaii too. Macadamia trees vary from 2 to 12 meters tall, but only 2 varieties produce edible nuts, taking 7 to 10 years to bear fruit. Macadamia trees are harvested 5 to 6 times yearly. When husks dry and shift from green to brown, splitting open, the nuts are ready and often fall naturally. Workers collect them by hand or with giant machines that sweep the ground, a process taking about 4 months. Each tree yields around 30 kilos annually. Some farms use shaking machines to dislodge nuts, but not all. At processing plants, nuts are cleaned of debris like leaves or sand, then sorted on conveyors to remove defects. Machines strip the thick outer husk, and nuts are soaked in water tanks, where bad ones float and are discarded, ensuring quality. Nuts are dried under the sun for 2 weeks, spread in piles, and flipped, or dried in factory ovens for speed. A machine removes the inner shell, and nuts are sorted by size, then packaged. Macadamia oil, used in hair and skin products and premium sweets, is also produced. adding to their luxury status. Medical sources praise macadamias for heart health, appetite control, weight loss, cancer resistance, and brain protection. But beware. 30 grams pack 200 calories, so moderation is key for weight-conscious eaters. Love this nutty journey? Comment if you'll try these nuts. Like, share, and subscribe for more food adventures.